Hello friends, so today I am going to briefly describe juvenile onset respiratory papillomatosis, which is also abbreviated as JOP, or this is also known as recurrent respiratory papillomatosis. Respiratory papillomatosis is of two types. One is juvenile, second is adult onset. Juvenile, they are multiple, adult, they are few, and this is caused by human papilloma virus 6 and 11. In such cases, you should always look for low socioeconomic status and prolonged delivery time, which means increased contact time between vagina of mother and head of a baby for viral transmission. Clinical manifestations are hoarseness, and most of these patients, they directly come to pediatric emergency with stridor, and there can be failure to thrive. Always go for fiber optic laryngoscopy to visualize these respiratory papillomatosis. There are multiple treatment modalities, but always remember you need to do surgical debridement, and there should be adjuvant therapy in form of medical management. In surgical modalities, we have many powered gadgets like powered micro debrider. You can use laser or you can use coagulations. Whereas in adjuvant therapy, you go for medical management like cidofovir, which inhibits viral DNA polymerase. Very effective drug but costly. You can also go for interferons, which they are antiviral. So again, they have anti-proliferative action in addition to their immunomodulation. Other modalities are like ribavirin, you can use acyclovir, indole 3-calcinol, and even at very high doses you give cimetidine, which is 40 mg per kg body weight, and at such higher doses it acts as an immunomodulator. You can always give some PPIs, like you can give lansoprazole. So sometimes this question can also be asked that bevacizumab is used in which of the following condition. So answer is respiratory papillomatosis here. Again, this is an antiviral drug. You know that subglottic hemangioma, we give propranolol. Laryngomalacia is an important disorder of pediatric stridor, and croup is acute laryngotracheobronchitis. So coming on to this particular question, if we see what is the action of bevacizumab, very effective drug in addition to all those adjuvant therapies which we have discussed. So bevacizumab basically is a inhibitor of vascular endothelial growth factor, and it prevents receptor activation. So if we see, it is recombinant monoclonal immunoglobulin G1 antibody. So always remember this drug. So this is all about recurrent respiratory papillomatosis. Very brief description. Thank you.